Can you clear customs at any port? Find out. Welcome to our video on customs brokerage and navigating the customs process. Today, we'll be addressing a common question. Can I clear customs at any port of entry? Let's dive into the details and provide you with clear answers. When it comes to customs clearance, it's important to understand that not all ports of entry have the same capabilities and resources. While some ports may be designated as full-service ports, equipped to handle a wide range of goods, others may have limited capacities or specialize in specific types of imports. Therefore, it's crucial to know the capabilities of the port of entry you plan to use. One of the key factors that determine where you can clear customs is the availability of a customs broker. A customs broker is a licensed professional who acts as an intermediary between you, the importer, and the customs authorities. They have expertise in navigating the complex customs regulations and requirements, ensuring smooth and compliant clearance of your goods. Not all ports of entry may have customs brokers readily available, so it's essential to check whether your chosen port has brokerage services. In addition to the availability of customs brokers, you also need to consider the presence of other essential infrastructure and services at the port of entry. This includes customs facilities, such as inspection areas, warehouses, and documentation offices. These facilities are crucial for efficient clearance and management of imports. It's advisable to choose a port of entry that provides all the necessary infrastructure to support your specific import requirements. Another important consideration when selecting a port of entry is proximity to your final destination. If you plan to transport your goods by land, choosing a port that is closer to your destination can save time and transportation costs. Similarly, if you're importing goods that require immediate processing or time-sensitive delivery, selecting a port with quick turnaround times and efficient logistics connections can be advantageous. Therefore, it's wise to evaluate the geographical location and transportation connectivity of different ports of entry. It's important to note that certain goods may have additional requirements or restrictions that only specific ports of entry can accommodate. For example, if you're importing perishable goods, such as fresh produce or pharmaceuticals, you'll need a port with temperature-controlled storage facilities. Similarly, if you're importing hazardous materials, you may need a port that is equipped to handle and process such shipments safely. Be aware of any special requirements associated with your goods and select a port of entry accordingly. Finally, it's worth mentioning that while you may have a preferred port of entry, the customs authorities have the ultimate jurisdiction to determine where your goods will be cleared. Depending on various factors, such as workload, customs compliance history, and risk assessment, they may redirect your shipment to a different port for inspection and clearance. It's important to be aware of this possibility and maintain open communication with your customs broker to address any potential changes or challenges. In conclusion, while you may have some flexibility in choosing a port of entry, it's crucial to consider various factors such as the availability of customs brokers, infrastructure, proximity to your destination, and specific requirements of your goods. By taking these factors into account and staying informed, you can ensure a smooth and efficient customs clearance process. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more informative videos on customs brokerage and international trade. Disclaimer note below. Happy importing and see you next time.